Hello everyone, and welcome back to Health Care Tips by Alina. Today, we have an incredibly exciting topic to discuss, the benefits of Amla, a superfood that's been cherished for centuries in Ayurvedic medicine. But before we dive into the amazing advantages of Amla, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. Let's get started. Amla, also known as the Indian gooseberry, is a superfood that offers numerous health benefits. Here are some of its advantages and ways to include it in your diet. Rich in vitamin C, Amla is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, which is essential for a robust immune system. It helps the body fight off infections and illnesses. Antioxidant properties. Amla is packed with antioxidants that protect the body's cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Skin health. Amla can improve skin health, reducing signs of aging, acne, and blemishes. Its vitamin C content promotes collagen production for healthy skin. Hair health. Amla is often used in hair care products because it promotes hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, and prevents premature graying. Digestive aid. Amla supports digestion by regulating bowel movements and reducing constipation. It can help improve overall gut health. Heart health. Regular consumption of Amla can lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It helps maintain healthy blood pressure levels. Diabetes management. Amla may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes. Weight management. Amla can aid weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing inflammation in the body. How to include Amla in your diet. Amla juice. One of the most popular ways to consume Amla is by juicing it. Mix fresh Amla juice with water and a touch of honey for a refreshing and healthy drink. Amla chutney. Prepare a tangy Amla chutney with grated Amla, green chilies, and spices. Use it as a side dish or dip. Amla pickle. Amla can be pickled in various ways, and the tangy, spicy flavor enhances the taste of your meals. Amla powder. Amla powder is a convenient way to incorporate Amla into your diet. You can sprinkle it on yogurt, cereals, or use it in smoothies. Raw Amla. Eating Amla fruit raw can be an acquired taste, but it's the most natural and nutritious way to consume it. Amla supplementation. Amla supplements, such as capsules or powders, are available for those who want to ensure a consistent intake of Amla's benefits. Amla in curries. You can add small pieces of Amla to vegetable or meat curries to impart a unique flavor and gain its nutritional benefits. Amla tea. Boil dried Amla slices in water to make Amla tea. It's a soothing and healthy beverage. Conclusion. As we wrap up, it's evident that Amla is a true elixir of health, offering a plethora of benefits from boosting your immune system to enhancing your skin, hair, and even supporting your heart health. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover the incredible advantages of Amla. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.